Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox this. This one's the drone E60. This one has a dual camera, 90-second camera recording, headless mode, altitude holding, visual obstacle avoidance, optical flow positioning. So yeah, be sure to check out the link that's going to show in the description so you guys could check them out. And I'd like to give a shout out to their marketing team for sending me this. So yeah, let's go and then unbox this and then check it out. So this one is the foldable and HD camera recording. So yeah, when it's folded, it looks like this. So when it's fully charged, the drone battery takes about 60 minutes long. Wow, come with this nice carrying case. And then there's a strap handle right here. Wow, look at the controller. And you can put your smartphone and strap it here. This is the on and off switch right here. So this must be the battery pack for the drone. Got the LED and then the camera. Wow, so this one comes with the dual batteries. Yeah, you need to unscrew this screw and then put in the battery here. I'm not sure what kind of battery does it need. Check it out. So you need to scan QR code right here for the app. It's called the KYUFO. And right here is the user manual guide. So this button is for the fine tuning. So the remote it requires 3 of the AA batteries. So yeah, they come with the guards in case you want to put it, or you want to install the guard so the kit doesn't break the blades when it's too close to the wall, or in case it falls down. So they come with 4 blade guards, 2 of the extra blades, come with a screwdriver, and then USB type A to micro USB. So you need to take out the blade by unscrewing that screw over there. Right here is the on and off button right here. Oh. I'll open my QR code. So I click on this. And then click on install. So the other one was a wrong app. I'm going to uninstall that. Click on open. I'm going to turn it off for now. Kind of dangerous. So this is under setting. You can put left hand or right hand. See if there's any firmware. So there's no update. Language is in English. Go back. Start. Now I'm going to turn on the drone. Oh, what the? So I press the airplane in order to see the controller. it says connect the device. Let's see. Alright, so we need to remove this screw. So you gotta be careful the screw will fall off. So I got my rechargeable battery. Just need 3. So I turn on the controller. I think it's supposed to go up and down. And now the light stays on. That means I'm ready to fly. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh my god. Alright, so this button is obstacle avoidance. And this one is tilt the camera up, down. And auto landing and auto takeoff. And this button is flip and roll. And this button is to calibrate. And that's the speed. And not sure about this north, east, west, south. Alright, so in order to sync the drone with your smartphone, you turn on. And then you need to go to your Wi-Fi setting. Go to connection. And this one is called the Flow Wi-Fi 69778C. Now you need to go open the app. KYUFO. And then now you could start. Oh. Now you see the camera. Cool. And then right here is the control. Up and down. Oh, shoot. Whoa, 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 whoa. Photo, take video. The video is recording. Oh wow, dual camera. I got the bottom camera and then the one right here. So this is the bottom camera right here. That's why it's dual. And then one over here. Oh, you know how to fly? Don't crash. Oh, 我叫。Let's go. Let's go. Huh? Can't really go slow.
mean, this is that's the front, right?
Yeah. You can adjust it. Oh, watch out the wind.
But I think the wind doesn't want to go forward.
Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.